Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to empty a Dyson vacuum dust canister. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm just going to flip my screen around so I can see what you all are seeing, and this is the actual Dyson vacuum right here. Now, there are many different models of the Dyson vacuum, but they're all going to be very similar in how they are emptied with regards to the dust container or dust canister. Now, you're going to look for a button that will release the dust canister from the vacuum. In this case, it's going to be this button right here. I'm going to push this button, and it pops that handle up. Just to show you again, because my hand was on the handle, I push the button, and it pops this handle up, which releases the dust canister. Now, what I can do is I can nicely move it out of place, and now I have the dust canister right here. What we're going to do next is we're actually going to empty it, and you can see mine is pretty full, so I'm going to show you how to empty it. We're going to go to the garbage bin. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are decently far away, because when you empty it out, it's going to produce lots of dust in the air. So you want to make sure that you're standing back. Now there's going to be a button on the dust canister that opens up the lid. Okay, in this case the lid is on the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to open it up. It's actually this little red button right here. So I'm going to hold it over here. I'm holding it far away from myself. I'm going to push that button, and you're going to see all of that dust fall down. Once again, it takes a little bit of force, so I'm going to push it one more time. Let's try. There we go. So look at that. Look at that. Look at how much dust is in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it a little shake. It's all falling out. Okay, then sometimes you're going to see just some hairs like that, right? You know, some hairs. I don't know if you find this gross. Hopefully you don't find it gross. It's the reality of what's in your dust canister. You're just gonna pull it out and then put it down there. Now what I like to do is there's a filter up here. There's a HEPA filter up here. So what I like to do is I like to just go in and out with the HEPA filter, and it gets any remaining dust out, just like that. So by going like that, you're releasing any extra dust. And this is the part when you really have to stay further back, because the dust gets in the air. Just like that. You can see how much is coming out. That's it. When you're done, you give it a nice little shake, and then you're going to close the container again until it clicks in place. Then we're going to place it back. Now, you'll notice that right here there's an opening. You have to make sure that you line up this opening with the part of the Dyson vacuum that it makes sense to go in. This is where the actual dust goes into there. So I'm going to line it up, and there's actually a stand right here. So I'm going to place it on the stand, and I'm lining up that little spot, placing it down. And then you should be able to just gently press down on whatever popped up to release it. So in this case, it's this handle. It clicks down. That's it. You're done. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.